Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to assign multiple IP address in one LAN card. Type Control Panel in search bar. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4. Already one IP address is added this LAN card. I wish to add another one IP address on same LAN card. Click Advanced. Click Add. Enter another IP address. Click Add. Click Add. Enter another IP address. Click Add. Now 3 IP addresses are added to same LAN card. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.